The Wilcoxon Signed Rank test effectively compares two related groups, particularly for single samples or matched pairs. It serves to assess differences in a single numerical variable, making it a powerful tool for statistical analysis. For independent samples, the Mann-Whitney U-test is employed to compare two distinct groups, such as males versus females. This method proves beneficial when the data fails to meet parametric assumptions, ensuring robust analysis. Non-parametric methods offer flexibility in data analysis, as they do not rely on parameters like means or standard deviations. This characteristic is particularly advantageous when dealing with unknown data distributions. John Arbuthnot's seminal paper marks a significant milestone in inferential statistics, highlighting early applications of statistical techniques in demographic studies. His innovative approach set the foundation for subsequent research in the field. Furthermore, Arbuthnot's secondary conclusion regarding polygamy illustrates how statistical findings can intersect with societal norms of his era, shedding light on the cultural context and ethical implications embedded in statistical research. Transitioning to non-parametric tests, we begin with the sign test, essential for analyzing data without the assumption of normal distribution, especially relevant for smaller sample sizes. The binomial distribution models the number of negative observations, enhancing our understanding of the likelihood of extreme outcomes within a sample. P-values play a crucial role in hypothesis testing. A lower p-value signifies stronger evidence against the null hypothesis, thereby assisting in making informed statistical decisions. The Wilcoxon Signed Rank test utilizes additional information compared to simple sign tests. This extra data provides deeper insights into the characteristics and significance of the samples involved. Statistical comparisons often focus on ranking differences from the median hemoglobin level, stressing the importance of understanding deviations from the established norm of 13 grams. Utilizing statistical software greatly streamlines the process, facilitating efficient computation of the Wilcoxon Signed Rank test, which ultimately helps determine the significance of observed differences. Discussions around calculating test statistics center on the sum of positive and negative ranks, a critical step in hypothesis testing that ensures accurate interpretation of statistical results. A solid understanding of critical values is vital in statistical tests, guiding whether to accept or reject the null hypothesis effectively. As sample sizes increase, approximations using normal distribution become more relevant, simplifying calculations and enhancing the robustness of the statistical analysis. The distinction between the sign test and Wilcoxon Signed Rank test emphasizes the significance of data representation. Incorporating ranks offers a more nuanced understanding of the dataset. In this context, the test evaluates hemoglobin levels among female and male vegetarians to uncover potential median differences, with statistical significance playing a crucial role in the analysis. Data ranking remains essential, as it organizes values from smallest to largest, rather than merely concentrating on differences from a specific reference point, and tied ranks may arise across categories. An important step involves calculating the sum of ranks for both genders to identify notable differences, particularly focusing on the smaller sample, which influences test statistic determination. Understanding critical values is crucial in hypothesis testing, as they aid in deciding whether to accept or reject the null hypothesis based on the calculated test statistic. The p-value associated with a test statistic can fluctuate due to the discrete nature of the distribution, influencing how results are interpreted and understood. Lastly, the central limit theorem illustrates that larger sample sizes tend to approximate a normal distribution, simplifying analyses when precise tables are unavailable.